Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I'm going to teach you how you can fix the lost connection due to an error Roblox, the error 272. So here are some possible solutions to fix that. First solution is to remove Roblox browser add-ons or extensions. So if you're using Roblox through its web application, then your web browser can be a reason for Roblox error 272 in your window. So extensions or add-ons are small software programs that add functionality and features to your browser. If you have any Roblox extension or add-ons installed on your browser, then although they enhance your gameplay experience, if there are too many or poorly optimized, they can consume system resources and cause Roblox error. Next, what you can do is to run the network troubleshooter. So the Windows operating system provides built-in tools to help diagnose and resolve common networking issues. One such tool is the network troubleshooter, which can automatically detect and fix problems related to network connectivity. Since sometimes the Roblox error 272 is due to network connectivity issues of your computer, so here I will go through the steps to run the network troubleshooter in Windows. First, what you'll need to do is to right click on the start button and then choose the network connections from the menu options. Then after that, in the network and internet page, scroll to locate network troubleshooter option, then click on it. It is right here. And then wait for the network troubleshooter app to perform the scan. And among the options, select the all network adapters option and then click onto the next button to proceed. It's right here, the all network adapters, and then click onto the next. After that, wait for the network troubleshooter to complete the troubleshooting tasks and then look at the result of the network troubleshooting process. Then click on the close button, and in this case it shows that there were no problems. So Windows network troubleshooter can effectively troubleshoot and resolve network connectivity problems in Windows, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted online experience. So if running this troubleshooter solved the Roblox error 272 on your computer, then the problem was with the network connectivity of your computer. However, if Roblox 272 error still persists, then you can try this next solution. And it is by uninstalling and reinstalling the Roblox player. So, uninstalling Roblox from your Windows computer is a simple process that can be done through your control panel. So remember that you can always pause this video or go back to the video and follow the processes at your own pace or steps at your own pace. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.